In this video, I will show you a quick way to clear cache on laptop. So let's get started. First, in your search bar at the bottom, enter disk cleanup. Now open disk cleanup utility. This tool will scan your computer and calculate exactly how much space you can free up. Now click the drop down and you will see all the drives on your laptop. Just select the drive that you want to clean. Click OK. Now check the boxes next to the items that you want to delete. The items you must select for the best results are temporary files, recycle bin, thumbnails, and temporary internet files. Now click Clean up system files. This is optional, but for deeper clean, it is recommended to click the Clean up system files button. Select C drive again, then tick extra boxes like Windows Update Cleanup or previous Windows installations. Click OK. Then click Delete Files to wipe the cache. Just wait for the cache files to get deleted completely. And once this process gets over, all the cache will be removed. So that is how you can clear cache on laptop. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.